भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवांसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। प्रज्ञानां सुप्रतानैः स्थिरचरनिकर व्यापिभिर्व्याप्य लोकान् भुक्त्वा भोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पुनरपि धिषणोद्भासितान् कामजन्यान् पीत्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् स्वपिति मधुरभुं मायया भोजयन्नो मायासङ्ख्यातुरीयं परममृतमजं ब्रह्म यत्तन्नतोऽस्मि। यो विश्वात्मा विदिजविषयान् प्राश्यभोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पश्चाच्चान्यान् स्वमतिविभवान् ज्योतिषा स्वेन सूक्ष्मान् सर्वानेतान् पुनरपि शनैः स्वात्मनि स्थापयित्वा हित्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् विगतगुणगणः पात्वसौ नस्तुरीयः। Eighth Karika, we have seen the Karika meaning, page number 87. अपूर्वं स्थानि धर्मो हि यथा स्वर्ग निवासिनां तानयं प्रेक्षते गत्वा यथैवेह सुशिक्षितः। So in this, Purvapakshi is saying that the drishtanta, that Swapna Jagat is mithya, is not correct. He says Drishtanta has drishyatvam, but there is no mithyatvam. That is what was said in Tika. You see first line, Drishtantasya sadhya vikalatvam shankitva pariharati. Drishtanta has sadhya vaikalyam, and therefore your anumanam that Jagrat Padartha is mithya is not true, because you are giving Drishtanta which is sadhya vikala. This is the Shanka. Siddhanti gives solution apurvam sthani dharmo hi. So that we saw that it is a sthani dharma. Now what is that? Further is elaborated in Tika. See, yatha swarga nivasana shilanam indradinam सहस्राक्षत्वादि धर्मस् तथा यदिदम अपूर्वम स्वप्न दर्शनम मन्यसे तदपि स्थानिनः स्वप्न स्थानवतो द्रष्टुरेव धर्मः. Just as those who are in Swarga, like Indradi, So anybody, whoever becomes Indra will have the Visheshas of Indra. That is the Apurva, like 1,000 eyes, Sahasrakshatvadi Dharma. Tatha, in the same way, in Swapna, yad idam apurvam, Swapna darshanam manyase, what is there, what is considered as apurvam. Apurvam means na purvam iti apurvam. What is not seen earlier, what is not experienced before, that I experience is apurvam. It is Swapna darshanam. 3 number tippani. Darshanam drishyate. Manyase, if you think like that, tadapi sthaninaha swapna sthanavato drashtureva dharma. It is the dharma which comes to sthani because of sthanam. It is the dharma of sthani because of sthanam. So sthan has some vishesha. Therefore sthani also will have vishesha. Tena drashtatvat tasya mithyattva siddhihi ityarthaha. Therefore Siddhanti is saying, because it is seen there, therefore it is mithya. Now how it is drishya, drishtatvat means drishyatva is there in it. Katham tena eva drishtatvam tatraha tanayam. So tanayam is there on the karika itself. Tanayam prekshate gatva yathaiveha sushikshitaha. Yatha eva iha. Iha means in this world. Sushikshitaha. Sushiktaha means well-informed person. A person who is well-informed in this world, that when you go somewhere, you will find this, you will get this, etc. So then when he goes there, he sees all those things. It may be a wonder for him, but just because those things are seen, that is not the dharma of Atma. It is the dharma of that place, sthani dharma. So when you go in sthana, because of that sthana vishesha, it appears in sthani. What point we have to gather here is this. Sthani dharma means, sthani means the person who lives in sthanam is called sthani. But it has come because of sthanam. So when I leave that sthanam, it will not be the dharma of sthani anymore. Because now I am not in that sthanam. So when you are in particular place like Swarga, you get some vishesha. When you leave Swarga, the powers that had come to you in Swarga, those powers will go. In other words, those powers actually never belong to you. They are superimposed on you. And therefore they are mithya. So a well-informed person, when he goes to some place, then ayam sushikshitaha tatra gatva, having gone there, tan prekshate, he sees tan padarthan, dharman. He will see those dharmas, having gone there. So then he sees all these visheshas. Now see in Tika, Yathaiveha Vyavahara Bhumau. Bhumau means Dashayam. In Vyavahara Dasha, just as here, Iha means Ihaloke, in Prithvi Loka. Sushikshitaha, a well-informed person. Deshantar Prapti Margaha, Tena Margena Deshantaram Gatva. He is informed about the path to reach the other place. And then what happens there, so he knows it will be this thing, those things, some visheshas. Tena margena deshantaram gatva tatratyan padarthan vikshate. So those objects which are there in that place, he sees them. Tatratyan padarthan vikshate. Tatha, in the same way, ayam swapnadrashta, this swapnadrashta also, swapnagatan padarthan, those objects which are there in swapna, swapnagatan padarthan, yathokta prakaran, as given here. Let us see 5 number tippani. Yathokta prakaran mrigatrishnikadi tulyan, means mithya, what are like mrigatrishnika. Pratipadyate, he sees them, he experiences them. Tatascha swapnasya sthani dharmatvat rajju sarpadivat mithyatvam. Therefore, swapnasya sthani dharmatvat, swapna, in that swapna, when I am in swapna sthanam, if I see any vishesha, it is because of swapna sthana. They become sthani dharma. So when I am dreaming, I see something vishesha. That vishesha has come because of that swapna. It is a sthani dharma. Swapnasya sthani dharmatvad rajju sarpadivat mithya. Why? 6 number tippani says nadistha drashtru drishyatvat ityartha. Because they are there in the nadi. Nadistha drashtru drishyatvat. Swapnasya sthani dharmatvat rajju sarpadivat mithyatvam. Now, so up to this is Tika on Karika. Now Tika is on Bhashya. Shloka Vyavartyam Ashankam Upanyasyati. First, Bhagavan Bhashyakar gives the Shanka, Purva Paksha. That Shanka which is removed by this Karika. So from first line in Bhashya up to 5th line, up to Tanna is Purva Paksha. All of that is Purva Paksha. Swapna Jagrad Bhedayoho Samatvat. Jagrad Bhedanam Asatvam iti yaduktam tad asat. Swapna Jagrad Bhedayoho. The distinction between Swapna and Jagrat is not there. And whatever seeming Bheda is there, that seeming Bheda will go when the Drishyatva Hetu is understood. That as far as Drishyatva is concerned, they are same. Uchita Desha Kala is there in one, not there in other. That Bheda becomes insignificant when Drishyatva hetu is understood because that brings samatva. So swapna jagrat bhedayoho samatvad jagrat bhedanam asatvam, and therefore jagrat padartha they are mithya iti yaduktam. Yaduktam kena uktam. Who said jagrat padartha is mithya? Siddhantina uktam tad asat. That is not true. See tika. Samatvam, their sameness. So one was drishyatva hetu. Another hetu is given in tika adyantavattvadi. Adyantavatvam, that it has beginning and end. Anumana siddhasya arthasya anumana doshoktim antarena asatvam ayuktam iti prachati. Anumana siddhasya arthasya. Siddhanti says, you cannot say what I am saying is wrong. Why? Because it is anumana siddha. I did anumana. Vyavaharik prapancho mithya drishyatvat swapna prapanchavat. In anumana, if there is no dosha, how can you say anumana siddha artha has dosha? That is this line. Anumana siddhasya arthasya anumana doshoktim antarena asatvam ayuktam. Asatvam, if you want to say anumana has asatvam, you have to show dosha. You cannot say ayuktam. No, you are wrong. You are wrong. Why am I wrong? I have shown correct anumana. Paksha is proper, sadhya is there, sad hetu is there, drishtanta is there. In drishtanta hetu is there, sadhya is there. In paksha hetu is there, sadhya siddhi is there. What is wrong? You cannot just say it is ayuktam, tad asat. Kasmat. So Siddhanti is asking question. Kasmat. Why? Because you have to show dosha. So now you see, Purvapakshi, what is the dosha he is going to show? He cannot say there is no drishyatva. Drishyatva is there. So he says, Anumana itself is asiddha. See, in Bhashya. Tika first. Vyapti bhumim dushayan vyapti bhangam doshamaha. The vyapti bhumi, there where you get vyapti, where did Siddhanti get vyapti from? Swapna prapancha. So that vyapti bhumi is swapna. Is already given or what? No. Okay, good. 7 number tippani. Vyapti graha sthalam drashtantam iti yavat. So drishtanta sthala is swapna. Vyapti bhumi, swapna itself he shows dosha. Therefore vyapti bhanga is there. So Purvapakshi, Siddhant is vyapti. What was the vyapti? Yatra yatra drishyatvam tatra tatra mithya. This vyapti bhanga, Purvapakshi shows that vyapti itself is not right. Because you see, they have to show some problem. Where will they show the problem? So he gives in vyapti, bhashya, drashtantasya asiddhatvat. Drashtanta itself is asiddha. In Drishtanta you said there is drishyatvam, but there is mithyatvam. He said, I say there is drishyatvam, but no mithyatvam. Tika. Asiddhatvam prashna purvakam vishadayati. that asiddhatva is elaborated now with a question, prashnapurvakam. Katham, how or why? In Tika, apurva darshanam eva vivranati. Because there is apurva darshanam. See in Bhashya first. Nahi jagrat drishta eva ete bhedaha swapne drishyante. Jagrat drishta eva ete bhedaha. These bhedas which are jagrat drishta, which are seen in jagrat. Jagrat drishta is samasa. Huh? So you have to understand jagrati drishta. In jagrat, what is seen, bhedaha, padarthaha, swapne na drishyante. Purvapakshi says, what you see in swapna is very different from what you see in jagrat. Therefore, swapna is satyam. If what you have seen in jagrat, only that if you see in swapna, then swapna is similar to jagrat. But he says swapna is not similar to jagrat, because swapne jagrat drishta eva ete bhedaha na drishyante. Then what is seen? He says apurvam. It is apurva. Kintarhi apurvam. Swapne pashyati. In swapna, he sees apurva things. Apurva means na purvam drashtam iti apurvam. Alaukika. That is explained further. Like what? Chaturdantam, gajam arudham, ashtabhujam, atmanam manyate. Chaturdantam. Chaturdantam samasa. Chatvaraha danta yasya saha chaturdantaha. 4 tusks. 4-tusked elephant. Chaturdantam gajam. Tam gajam chaturdantam. Arudham ashtabhujam. Ashtau bhujaha yasya saha ashtabhujaha. 8 arms. So in Jagrat you don't see elephant with 4 tusks. You don't see a person with 8 arms. In other words, what you see in Swapna is very different. Atmana manyate, he thinks, I have 8 arms. I have the position of Indra. I am sitting on an elephant with 4 tusks, etc. In Tika, Anyadapi, Trinetratvadi, sometimes he sees, I have 3 eyes. Or some other, I am flying, I can do something. Nothing happens in Jagrat. Anyadapi evam prakaram apurvam swapne pashyati. In other varieties also he sees in swapna. Tika. No, one more line in Bhashya. Tatra tanna anyena asata samam iti sadeva. Tanna anyena asata samam iti. Tat, what is seen in swapna is not similar to asat, like other asat vastu. Anyena asata samam na. Second number tippani. So what is the other asat? Like Rajju Bhujangadi, Rajju Sarpa, Shukti Rajat. How they are asat? Swapna is not asat, because it is apurvam. So then what is it? Sadeva in Bhashya. He says it is Sat, it is not Asat. and therefore ato drashtanto asiddha. Drashtanta asiddhi is there. What you are trying to prove is not correct. So far it is okay? Tasmat स्वप्नवत् जागरितस्य असत्वम इति अयुक्तम. Therefore, Purvapakshi says, Jagrat is asat, like Swapna. The Drashtanta itself is not Siddha. Swapna itself is not Mithya. Then how Jagrat is Mithya? Now you see, in this Bhashya, for Mithya, Asat Shabda is used. Asata in previous line, then in this line also Asatvam. In first line also Jagrat Bhedanam Asatvam. But you have to understand, Asat here means Mithya, not Asat like Shashavishana. But in fourth chapter, when Sat, Asat, Sadasat, Sadasat Vilakshana, like this, when the Asat Shabda will be used, there Asat means Shashavishana. So you see, these things also we have to know, where Asat Shabda means Asat and where Asat Shabda means Mithya. Same thing when Brahma Shabda is given. Brahma means Saguna Brahma or Brahma means Nirguna Brahma. You have to know it, because sometimes Acharyas, they say things. You can't say Bhashyakar doesn't know what he is talking. Precisely, if you want to say, yes, it is not Asat, it is Mithya. That is what he is trying to say. But he takes it for granted that the student is mature and will understand. Actually, lot depends upon students' maturity. Immature people, they should not study Vedanta. Tasmat, so Nigamanam is done by Purvapakshi. Swapna vad jagritasya asatvam iti ayuktam. Up to this is Purvapaksha. Now in Tika, Drashtanta siddhim dushayan anumanam sadhayati. This Drashtanta asiddhi has dosha. Means what? Drashtanta asiddhi has dosha. Means Drishtanta is Siddham. Drishtanta is correct. Drishtanta is not correct, is not true. Drishtanta asiddhim dushayan anumanam sadhayati. Therefore, our first anumanam is correct anumanam. In Bhashya, Tanna. Swapne drishtam apurvam yanmanyase na tat swataha siddham. In Swapna, what you are saying, that what is seen in Swapna, it is all apurvam. Swapne drishtam apurvam yanmanyase na tat swatah siddha. It is not swatah siddha. In Tika, tat kim swatah siddham paratova. Is it swatah siddha or parata siddha? It is na adya, not swatah siddha. Why? Jadasya tadayogat ityaha. Because jada vastu will not have that. Jadasya swatah siddhatva ayogat. Jada vastu cannot be swatah siddha. On previous page, first number tippani we didn't see. That is actually there on Karika itself. Previous page, tippani number 1. Sthaninaha swapna sthanavato drashtureva dharmaha. Sthaninaha means when that person is in swapna sthanavan, tasya swapna sthanavatah sthaninaha drashtuhu eva dharma sthani dharma. So it is the Vishesha of that Sthanam. Sthanini Drashtari Adhisthana Bhute Adhyastha ityartha. It is superimposed on the Drashta, which is the Adhishthanam. And when is the Drashta? In that Sthanam. So Sthanini Drashtari Adhisthana Bhute Adhyastha ityartha. तथा च मिथ्यात्वम अव्याहतम एव इति भाव. And therefore, really speaking, mithyatva is not contradicted. Mithyatva is still there. So what is said is, when I am in a particular sthanam, then some dharmas are superimposed on me, which is not my swarupa. So it has come, means it will go, though adyantavatva is there. Adyantavatva means mithya. Because adavante cha yan nasti, vartamane pi tattatha. Jadasya tadayogat. So jad cannot have swatah siddha. Then tat swatah. Not that. There is not that. Na tat was there on the previous page in Bhashya. Now further you see, द्वितीये तन्मिथ्यात्वम इति अभिप्रेत्य प्रश्नपूर्वकम आद्य पादम अवतारयति. द्वितीये, in the second one, तन्मिथ्यात्वम इति अभिप्रेत्य. द्वितीय, what is the द्वितीय? Parata Siddham. What is Parata Siddham? No, Purvapaksh. What is Parata Siddham? Swatah Siddham, we said no. What is Parata Siddham?
Swapne Yadrishtam.
Swapne yadrishtam apurvam. What is seen in swapna, that is parata siddham. Now that is the vikalpa. द्वितीये मिथ्यात्वम इति अभिप्रेत्य प्रश्नपूर्वकम आद्य पादम अवतारयति. So what is Parata Siddham is mithya. Jada vastu cannot be swatah siddha, and whatever is Parata Siddha is mithya. Dvitiyatam mithyatvam iti abhipretya. Now Siddhanta is asking, Purvapakshi is asking a prashna. Prashna purvakam adya padam avatarayati. So first pada he explains now. किम तरहि इन भाष्य अपूर्व स्थानी धर्मो ही स्थानिनो द्रष्टुरेव ही स्वप्न स्थानतो धर्म. स्थानी धर्म इज अपूर्व. अपूर्व स्थानी धर्मो इज ए समास. सो इन कारिका इफ यू से अपूर्वम स्थानी धर्मो ही इज वन वे ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग. Because Anand Giriji's Tika is on Apurvam. Because if you see Pratikam is also Apurvam. First Pratika itself is Apurvam. But in Bhashya here, Apurva Sthani Dharma is taken as one pada. So you note these things also. अपूर्वस्थानी धर्मो ही स्थानिनो द्रष्टुरेव ही स्वप्नस्थानतो धर्मः. So this dharma, swapnasthanatah dharma, apurva. It is the dharma of sthani, means the drashta, in that sthana. Yatha swarganivasinam indradinam, like of the swarganivasi indradinam, sahasrakshatvadi, Indra will have thousands of eyes. Tatha swapna drisho apurvo yam dharma. Like that, this dharma is apurva dharma of the swapna drashta. Tika kim tarhi tadgatani aksharani vyakaroti. So he explains the akshara sthani. Apurva swapna darshanasya sthani dharmatvam drishtantena sadhayati. Apurva swapna darshana is the sthani dharmatvam, that is explained through drishtanta, like Indra, etc. Apurva darshanam swapna drashtru dharmopi chaitanyavat kim na syat. Apurva darshanam, you are saying it is the dharma of swapna drashta. Why can't it be dharma of Chaitanya, Atma? Chaitanya what? Just as Chaitanya is the dharma of Atma, Atma means Chaitanya Swarupa. Why can't this Apurva Darshanam be the dharma of Atma like Chaitanya? This we have already seen in Sankshep Shariraka. Not this swapna drashtru dharma, but this any other thing. Why can't it be the dharma of Atma like Chaitanya? इति आशंक्य बाधोपलब्धेः मैवम इत्याह. Because there is बाध उपलब्धि. Simple answer, Badha Upalabdhi is technically put. Simple thing is, it gets negated when you wake up. If it was there, or in Sushupti only Chaitanya Dharma is there. Therefore, it cannot be Dharma of Atma. So, Badha Upalabdhi is there, Badhyatvat. In Bhashya, na swatah siddho drashtuhu swarupavat. It is not swatah siddha, like drashta. Because if it was there, then every day you would see that. And all the time it would be there, like Chaitanya. Neither I see it every day. Every day there is different swapna. And it is not there all the time. It gets negated. Na swatah siddha. Drashtuhu swarupavat. Chaitanya is drashtu swarupa. This apurva dharma is not swarupa of this drashta. Uttarardham vibhajate. Now the second part of the karika. Tan evam prakaran apurvan स्वचित्त विकल्पान अयम स्थानी स्वप्नदृक् स्वप्नस्थानम गत्वा प्रेक्षते. The स्थानी स्वप्नस्थानम गत्वा. So having gone to that स्वप्नस्थानम प्रेक्षते. प्रेक्षते prakarshena ikshate. Means he sees those things very well, very nicely. He will experience what is there. And these are all apurva vastu. How they became swachitta vikalpan. They are vikalpas if you, in your own head. Sometimes people say, I saw this, I think it is this. It is all your imagination. And the more reality a person gives to their imagination, that person has to suffer. That's all. It is a recipe for suffering. Never give reality to your vikalpas of mind. Other than Atma, don't give reality to anything. It comes, goes, forget it. Chitta vikalpan ayam sthani swapnadrik swapnasthanam gatva prekshate. Having gone to that swapnasthana, he sees all these things. How? यथा एव इह लोके सुशिक्षितो देशांतर मार्गः तेन मार्गेण देशांतरम गत्वा तान पदार्थान पश्यति तद्वत्. दिस लाइन इज एग्जैक्टली देयर इन टीका इन द प्रीवियस पेज. देशांतर प्राप्ति मार्गस्तेन मार्गेण देशांतरम गत्वा, फोर्थ लाइन इन प्रीवियस पेज टीका, द सेम थिंग इज गिवन हियर. तद्वत्, लाइक दैट. टीका अपूर्वाणां स्वप्नदृश्यानां स्थानिधर्मत्वेपि किम आयातम् इत्याशंक्याः. Okay, those dharmas are apurva. They are there in swapnadrishya. Swapnadrishyanam apurvanam sthani dharmatva. So because of that swapnadrishya, it becomes sthani dharma, the drashta's dharma. Okay, so what? Why do you say it is mithya? This is what he is asking now. Even if it is स्वप्न दृश्यानाम अपूर्वाणाम स्थानी धर्मत्वे किम आयातम इत्याशंक्य इन भाष्य. तस्माद् यथा स्थानी धर्माणाम रज्जु सर्प मृग तृष्णिकादीनाम असत्वम, यथा जस्ट एज स्थानी धर्माणाम, these are all sthani dharma. Rajju sarpa mriga trishnikadinam asatvam. Tatha, in the same way, swapna drishyanam apurvanam sthani dharmatvam eva iti asatvam. See again, asatva shabda is used, but mithya you have to understand. In टीका स्वप्न दृष्टान्तस्य साध्य विकलत्व अभावम निगमयति. So स्वप्न दृष्टांत has साध्य वैकल्यम, he does निगमनम of that. साध्य विकलत्वम निगमयति, he does निगमनम of that. अतो न इति means sadhya vaikalya is not there in drishtanta. Drishtanta is proper without sadhya vaikalyam. Ato na swapna drishtantasya asiddhatvam. So swapna drishtanta asiddhi is not there. So how rajju sarpa mriga trishnika, they are sthani dharma. In Rajju, if I see Sarpa, it is because of that place where that Rajju is kept, and it is partial lighted, partial dark. Then I am afraid of that snake, which is not there, but in my mind that bhaya is there. That's why I superimpose Sarpa on Rajju. So bhayabhita pramata is there, always scared of snake. Like some people, always they will superimpose some random thing on something else. It will have no connection, but they know how to suffer. They are very expert in this. So this is, but the same thing, let us say that rope is in broad daylight and you are not afraid. You don't see Sarpa. You see Rajju as Rajju. Nothing, Rajju is no fault. Rajju was there also earlier, Rajju, now also it is Rajju. Sthani Dharma. Like that, Swapna Drishya also, Apurva is Sthani Dharma. Therefore, it is Mithya. Now you see Tika. Purvasya Apurvasya va. Swapna Darshanasya. Swapna Drashtru Dharmatvena tad avidya vilasitatvat दृष्टान्ते साध्य संप्रतिपत्तेस तथैव जाग्रत भेदानां मिथ्यात्वं युक्तम इत्यर्थः. पूर्वस्य अपूर्वस्य, पूर्व एंड अपूर्व, whatever, either way, something that you have seen before, something that you have not seen before. So Siddhanti is not saying that if it is apurva then it is mithya. Whether it is purva drishtam or na purva drishtam, both will be mithya only. Purvasya apurvasya va, swapna darshanasya. If it is seen in swapna, it is the dharma of swapna drashta. Swapna drashtru dharmatvena avidya vilasitatvat. Those things are tad vastu is avidya vilasita. It is expressing because of avidya. Avidya vilasitatvad. Drishtante sadhya sampratipatte. In Drishtanta, sadhya sampratipatti is there. Means, in Drishtanta, Siddhanti also says there is mithyatva. Purvapakshi also will have to agree there is mithyatva. This is sampratipatti. The same is true for Jagrat. Tathaiva Jagrat Bhedanam Mithyatvam Yuktam. In the same way, Jagrat Padartha, their Mithyatvam is also appropriate only. So, with this, 8th Karika is complete. Further, जाग्रत दृश्यानां मिथ्यात्वं तेषु सद असद विभाग प्रतिभान विरुद्धम इति आशंक्य. Purvapakshi says the Jagrat Drishya, their mithyatva, in them sad asad vibhaga pratibhana viruddham. If you say Jagrat is mithya, then in them sat asad vibhaga pratibhana will not be there. See Tippani 3 and 4. Teshu means Shukti Rupya Ghatadishu ityartha. Shukti Rajat means Pratibhasika and Ghatadi means Vyavaharika. So this Sat Asat Vibhaga. Shukti Rupya is Asat, means Mithya, and Ghatadi is Vyavaharika, means Sat, means Vyavaharika Sat. So Vyavaharik Satyam, and from Vyavaharik standpoint something is Mithya, this Vibhaga will not be there if you say Jagrat is Mithya. Vibhaga Pratibhana Viruddham. What you are saying is contradictory to this, because then what will happen? Shukti Rajata is also Mithya, Ghata is also Mithya. Where is the distinction? Iti ashankya drashtantena samadhatte. So with the help of example, Acharya says, don't worry, both are Mithya. You know, to digest these karikas, lot of vairagya is needed, and mind should be very calm to absorb. Extrovertedness and what is happening here and there and those things will not benefit. Such people will not benefit from these karikas. or this study. Swapnavrittavapitvantas चेतसा कल्पितं त्वसत् बहिश्चेतो गृहीतं सत् दृष्टं वै तथ्यमेतयोः स्वप्नवृत्ता स्वप्नवृत्तौ अपि मीन्स स्वप्न अवस्था, वृत्ति मीन्स अवस्था, इन स्वप्न अवस्था ऑल्सो, स्वप्न अवस्थायाम अपि 1 नंबर टिप्पणी स्वप्नवृत्तावपि, he has actually elaborated only. Okay, first let us see just the karika, then we will see the टीका टिप्पणी. स्वप्नवृत्तौ अपि तु अंतः चेतसा कल्पितं तु असत् बहिश्चेतो गृहीतं सत्. In swapna also, so this is while I am seeing swapna. In swapna, I see something outside and I see something inside. Means in swapna there is Jagrat Avastha and in swapna there is another swapna avastha. Clear? In swapna there is swapna and in swapna there is Jagrat. So in swapna Jagrat is outside and in swapna it is inside. So swapna vrittau api antah chetasa kalpitam. Antah means in swapna what is chetasa kalpitam, imagined by the mind, is asat. And bahihi cheto grihitam, what is considered outside in that swapna is considered as sat. So sat asat vibhaga is there in swapna. Then when I wake up, inside was also mithya, swapna is also mithya, swapna jagrat is also mithya. बहिश्चेतो गृहीतं सत् दृष्टम वैतथ्यम एतयोः, एतयोः वैतथ्यम दृष्टम. Both are out. Swapna is also mithya, swapna jagrat is also mithya. So vibhaga was there while I am in that avastha, but from higher standpoint both are mithya. So this vibhaga, pratibhasika and vyavaharika, will be there while I am in vyavaharika. From paramarthik standpoint they are mithya. So somebody will say, okay, but right now I am in vyavaharika, so I have to do this. Yes, you will be in vyavaharika when you think you are pramata, when you think you are samsari, when you think you are panchakoshavan, you have panchakoshas. So do you want to think of yourself all the time as samsari, panchakoshavan, pramata, karta, bhokta, or do you want to understand that actually this is not my swarupa because I give up all these identities in sushupti. Therefore panchakoshas don't belong to me, samsara doesn't belong to me, I am akarta abhokta. So if you want to think that way, then you start thinking of this mithyatva. It will never happen that you will go outside of waking, then you will see, oh, Jagrat is mithya. If you imagine that way, you will wait eternally. While in Jagrat, you have to start thinking that you are actually paramarthik vastu. only when you have to do vyavahara, essential vyavahara, then at that time you take the garb of Panchakosha. Whatever you need to do, you do karta. What means you be karta, finish the action. While that also you remember naiva kinchit karomiti yukto manyeta tattvavit कर्मण्य कर्म यः पश्येत् अकर्मणि च कर्मजः सः बुद्धिमान् मनुष्येषु. So these things I have to remember. Even when I do karma, I am not affected by karma. I am not touched by karma. I am untainted. I am not doing anything. Prakritehe kriyamaणani गुण कर्माणि सर्वशः अहंकार विमूढ़ात्मा कर्ताहमिति मन्यते. विमूढ़ आत्मा he thinks I am karta. So these Bhagavad Gita, whatever these points that are there, I quoted from 3rd, 4th, 5th chapter. All of these I have to use in my life to remain sthita prajna. See, a good sadhaka should know how to connect all the shastras. I am studying Mandukya. What is the use of Bhagavad Gita? Or I study Bhagavad Gita. What is the use of Mandukya? No such questions. I should know how to put everything, and maximum I should remain unperturbed. And even if I get disturbed, at least I should not disturb others. Yasman no dvijate lokah, lokat no dvijate chayah. Bhakta Lakshana. He doesn't get disturbed by what happens, and he doesn't disturb others. So these things, unless I constantly dwell on and live, Jivan Mukti, forget it. But it is not difficult. All you need is calm mind, that's all. And you cannot say my mind is not calm because this person, that person. It is your apurva only. Now you see Tippani, 1 number. Swapne api hi dvividha padarthaha. In Swapna also there are 2 types of padarthas. Kechana manomatra kalpitaha asat. They are manomatra kalpita. Pratiti gocharaha. They are manomatra kalpita 1. And second, kechana cha chakshuradi dwara upalabhyamanattvena pratyamanaha. So manomatra kalpitaha asat pratiti gocharaha. After that you can put comma. And some other chakshuradi dwara upalabhyamanattvena pratyamanaha. Others actually use pratyaksha pramana, anumana pramana ityadi. So the first one is manomatra kalpita. Second one has everything. एवंच सदसद विभाग भान सत्वे अपि स्वप्ने भावानां मिथ्यात्वमेव. Even though this kind of division is there, sat asat, vibhag bhana sattve api, even though such division is there, swapne bhavanam mithyatvam, but in swapna all padarthas are mithya only. Tatha jagrite api mithyatvam. Like that in jagrat also everything is mithya. And where it is said that asat iti, actually it is tippani number 2. The 2 number you need to write. Okay. टीका. श्लोकस्य तात्पर्यार्थम आह अपूर्वत्वे. In भाष्य अपूर्वत्व आशंकां निराकृत्य स्वप्न दृष्टान्तस्य पुनः स्वप्न तुल्यतां So apurvatva shanka is eliminated. Now swapna drishtanta and jagrat is swapna tulya. Punah swapna tulyatam jagrat bhedanam. Jagrat padartha, they are like swapna. Prapanchayan aha. Prapanchayan means having shown, and Vistara he explains. In Tika, स्वप्न दृष्टान्तस्य अपूर्व दर्शनत्व प्रयुक्ताम साध्य विकलत्व शंकाम, साध्य विकलत्व शंका, which is coming from what? स्वप्न दृष्टान्तस्य अपूर्व दर्शनत्व प्रयुक्ता. What was said earlier? So sadhya vaikalya, that was eliminated. Parihritya, sadhya vikalatva shankam parihritya iti yavat. Having done that, now there is hardly any tika on bhashya, directly on ubhayoho. So bhashya line is there, which we will see tomorrow. It's a small one. Now it will move fast, and once those prana iti pranavidah comes, you will not even know when second chapter gets over. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.